Hi, this is Bruno from RVing TV, and today we're going to take a look at a 2020 Zinger 299 RE. The 299 is approximately a 30-foot trailer box size, which is going to put it about 33 feet overall length. This is a great couples unit, and let's take a look at some of the great features that we have here. There's an extra large awning which starts just before the door and travels all the way to the back of the trailer, so you have really great coverage of your camping area. We have an outside kitchen with sink and 2 burners, mini fridge, as well as storage. Out back we have our spare tire, outside shower, gas electric water heater, and backup camera prep. Now the Zinger is going to have a Tpo roof, sits on a heavier frame. You're going to have black rims here. And for 2020, power stabilizer jacks as well as power tongue jack have become standard. We have our Sure Steps here, nice and sturdy for going in and out. And a little feature that they've added is actually, you'll notice here, it looks like a little dog bone and a paw. It's actually a hook for you to be able to put your leash and keep your friend tied up so they're not running away on you in the campground when they see all sorts of people. We do have an outside TV prep, but really the beauty of this 299 is inside. But as we go in, I just want to speak to a couple of items about the Zinger. This 299 is going to weigh 7,040 pounds and has a cargo capacity of 2,630 pounds. So I like to tell people when I'm asked, what they should look for in a trailer, is that they should look at the cargo capacity. That gives you an idea of the axles in the frame that your trailer sits on. You don't want a trailer with 600, 800, 1,000 pounds capacity, because you're going to need that for the camping season to go out on trips. And you don't want to be loading your trailer to 100% capacity. You want to be able to have lots of extra room on that cargo capacity so you're not pushing the limits. So 2,600 pounds, if you throw 1,000, 1,200 pounds, you're not even at the 50% limit. Now, the 299, I was very impressed the first time I saw this unit. Really set up for a couples unit, giving you lots of living space. You'll notice the elegance. This trailer has optioned in the freestanding dinette. We have a jackknife sofa right here. Mini blinds that pull down with nice valances, or sorry, not mini blinds. Force of habit, I should say fabric blinds. You'll notice big open space, really good kitchen prep space, nice double large sink, and Zinger's even put in the residential pull down faucet here. They've recessed the range so you can take your glass top, flip it back, and use the range itself. Or if you need some prep space, flip it down, secure it in place, and you have an extra working area. I like the little accents with the backsplash just finished off and the glass inserts in the doors. When we look around at the walls, you'll notice just little wooden accents and finishings. We have, you can notice the LED blue lighting backlight as well as above the slide out, so you have several light choices. But really what I love in this 299, you'll notice here extra large flat screen TV. Standard on the unit is their sound bar that we see here in the fireplace, but in the 299 you actually get a drink cooler. So whether you like wine, you want to keep your white wine chilled, or your beer, or even if you're just a pop connoisseur, keeping pop in there. If you have grandkids that come to visit, you can put juice boxes in there. You're not taking up that space for the drinks in the fridge. Then they've put a countertop back here so you can put other items and storage. But that's still not the greatest thing. It's beautiful, but not really the greatest thing. What's really the hidden secret here, you'll notice a doorknob. We turn that doorknob and it gives us access to a full walk-in pantry. Now you'll notice, look how deep those shelves are. And there's lots of room, and even when the wall pivots, there's still space behind here. To give you an idea, we're going to give this a little try. You know, we're going to actually just close that a bit here, and you'll notice I'm standing inside the pantry, and we've got the door basically closed. We've got some space back here. So just a great idea for whoever came up with that idea. I'll step back so you can actually see the whole pantry itself, and there's lights there. So now if you like to cook, you know, you're bringing a mixer, maybe you've got a waffle maker, plus you've got space if you wanted to throw some linens or clothes back here, and tons of food. So whether you're traveling or you're putting this in a campground, just absolutely beautiful. Now this unit has the gas electric, so propane electric fridge. Standard this year is the 12-volt fridge. Now let's go take a look at the washroom, because this unit has really been laid out extremely well. So we have a nice large washroom. We'll pull back the curtains here, and that's a 30-inch by 36-inch shower with full surround and vent up top to vent out that steam. We have a porcelain stool here, and as we turn around, we have good decent countertop space with some storage below and our medicine cabinet above. As we make our way into the bedroom, Zinger equips all their units with a residential full-size queen, not the trailer queen. So this is a 60 by 80 queen. For 2020, they've accented the wall behind the bed. In 2019, they were using a shiplap look. Now we have, you know, that rustic barn board look, which is really nice. And for 2020, the color's gone over to this light gray. Yes, there's storage under the bed, and this is a foam mattress, but another great feature I was blown away with was actually this area here. So it looks like a closet. Just an average everyday closet, but it isn't. Yes, we've got storage above, but we actually have washer dryer prep here in this trailer. Travel trailer with washer dryer prep. Rare to see it. They are out there, but rare to see. So now you start thinking about, wow, we're gonna put this in a campground. Massive pantry, drink fridge, regular fridge, outside kitchen, massive awning, washer dryer prep. You've got yourself a mini cottage for a really reasonable price. And then Zinger was really smart. You can see here there's a hanging rod, so if you're not using that for washer dryer, hang up your clothes, still have storage on the ground, or if you do a combination, you can still hang items. Now I like some of their other little accents. You'll notice there's a power plug on each side of the bed. On the passenger side of the trailer, we actually have a USB plug-in. There's a few of those around the unit itself. And then, of course, our main convenience center is actually, sorry folks, had to take a little breath there. Our convenience center is right here by the door with our switches for our slides and our awning. And just to give you a little idea, if we turn off our main lights, give you a little extra idea of the backlighting. So a really well appointed trailer overall. Heavy axles, heavy frames, things that impress me as an RVer. For more information on this trailer, you can visit Bella Vista's website at www.bellavista.rv.com. If you like the video, please click the like button and feel free to subscribe to our channel, and you'll be notified of new video reviews here at RVing TV. This is Bruno from RVing TV saying thank you for viewing our video. And you have yourself a happy camping season.